all choked up again. These two hands in the rage of men, I think I just killed a man. I think it was my old man. I hadn't seen him in years, and now he's bleeding tears, and his head is in the palm of my hand. All choked up again. Have you ever met a political man that couldn't break a poor boy's chin? When hear it all